Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's vlog. So today I want to carry you guys through my exam day. So first things first, these are the major things that I have to carry, like for real. So I have my calc and some pens, my student ID, an eraser, a ruler, and most importantly an exam card to show that I am eligible to sit for the exam. So like nimezieka hapa cause I'm changing my bag, like I'm not carrying the same tote bag that I was carrying last week, so that's why nimeziarrange hapa cause sitaki kusahau anything. Also guys, like in case you're wondering why I'm in a robe right now, like I don't know what to wear yet. It's like 9 a.m. and my exam is at 1. So like I'm just chilling, like by the time your time in Africa I have figured it out. Hi guys, so we've just gotten back from town right now. So we finished our exams today. Man, like wow, sai sina academic pressure, like I'm just chilled. Like naeza lala 24 hours if I want to, guys. Like wow. I'm just so happy. So tulitoka class, like after we finished our exams we went and had lunch. But ilikuwa 3 p.m. guys. So we had lunch at Greenview restaurant. Guys, let me tell you, like nilidhani, like I saw it on TikTok or something, and then pia like inakwanga tu I think famous or something, like Bezier fish and chips, like inakwanga tu well known. But let me tell you, ilikuwa hivi filled, like it was filled to the brim guys, like joto, but yeah, it was okay. The food was okay. Pia like tumeshiba cause they serve a lot of food, so the food was, the portions guys, like wow, we're so full. Adisai, I'm so full. Yeah, so we went to Dubois. Okay, first we went to Koja. I didn't vlog while in Koja guys. If you know, like kikumbuka vizuri, my first phone I lost in Koja. So let me show you guys some of the tops that I thrifted, and niwa plug na zote, imagine zilikuwa so like Mia. So my friend Levi plugged me to, like akaniambia like kwenye anatoanga, she has very nice tops. So I asked her where she gets them, na akaniambia niende Koja. So ni like Koja, the fire station path, like ukipiga hizo corners. Yeah, one thing about me guys, I just buy one thing in different colors, like yeah. So let me first show you. I have this one inakaa sijui ni color gani, it's green, it's a shade of green. Yeah, and then I have this, I have this, my favorite, like niliona hadi niko like isiezi acha. And then there's this plain black. So in then I realize I'm just showing you guys all my clothes. And then there's this white one, in white, like inakaa white. Okay, sijui but ikona, yeah, inakaa white. And then there's another one that's so unlike me, but my friends waliniambia like it will fit me perfectly. Plus, although it's not me, but this is me trying to get out of my comfort zone and trying new stuff. Ikona glitters, it's prettier, but it's just not me. But obviously I'll wear it because I bought it. Yeah. And then we went to Dubois. The Kikuyu in me knows inaitwa Dubois Road, but watu sema ni Dubois or something, whatever it is. And that's where I got my jewelries and sandals. I bought sandals guys, they were so pretty. I have them here. I think I showed you guys, but I just love them so much. I'll show you guys again and again and again when I wear them because they fit me perfectly. Like guys, these sandals zinakaa poa. Like I'll get more of this by the way. Ni venye like sijapata zingine zenye zimenibamba. And miss, like, yeah. So yeah, I'm trying to live my vision board guys. Like I want to buy as much jewelry as I can. I also got these pearl bracelet. I just bought it and wore it because it matches my pearl earrings. Yeah, aiwalo niko happy guys. Mimi nimemaliza exams, so yeah, na feel niko excited to a point I'm just saying random stuff. But yeah, so ini like ni ice ya red, and then tumebuy cause we were so thirsty, and then like it stained my hand na sai haitoki, but itatoka too with time. So I got these pretty little bracelets. Yeah, so I'm just living my vision board dream. Yeah guys.